Alright, it's 11 o'clock at Outlook Point. Yo, this gazebo is singing like a choir girl. This has got to be 40 knot sustained wind with gusts at least 50 or 60. The camera doesn't do justice to what I'm feeling. You're looking at Everest Marina, the seaplane base. Just give you a little peek at the wave action, and this is about high tide. White caps in the bay, Rodman's Neck, City Island. Looking to the south, Bronx Bridge is just about obscured with cloud and fog. Yo, this gazebo is still holding its own. It survived Hurricane Irene and a few other storms. Who knows? I think it's out of here. 60-mile-an-hour wind sustained is going to take this gazebo out of here. Mike Masak reporting from Outlook with the approaching Hurricane Sandy.